So I'm over here watching the game and Gordon Hayward, he breaks his leg. I don't know, man. This is truly bad news. Best of luck to Gordon Hayward. I mean, to get injured in the season opener, that must be terrible. So Kyrie Irving tried to throw an alley-oop to Gordon Hayward. And the way he landed, he didn't land. And he landed awkwardly on his leg. And just like that, his season was over. Man, hopefully he heals quick. It's always sad when an NBA player gets injured. Hopefully he heals quick. We're all wishing Gordon Hayward a speedy recovery. Now, I don't know how I feel about Kyrie Irving going up against LeBron anymore because it won't be fun without Gordon Hayward there because Gordon Hayward made the Celtics competition to the Cavs. So now without Gordon Hayward, I don't know how this season is going to shake out. And if you were watching the game, everyone looked shaken. Nobody was the same after Gordon Hayward broke his leg. So hopefully there's not a lot of injuries in the NBA. It's truly sad when that happens because all these NBA players, they give their heart to this game. And for an NBA player's season that they worked so hard for in the offseason to get stripped away from them, that must really hurt. Man, best wishes to Gordon Hayward. Hopefully he recovers as fast as possible. Truly sad news for Gordon Hayward and for the Celtics. But man, get in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. And I'm out.